Paws off Ruby. She ain't going anywhere with you. She's on that clock, got it?
Fuck, I missed this.
Concrete canyons, squinting neon eyes. The door beside me, a shadow meeting line. Stalked the back street, never at ease. Locked in a chase that'll never cease. A bloody moon, portending doom. Another cruel day, coming soon. Have to end this, but it's just begun. A fighting torch with the rising sun. Black dog in my hair, guiding me to the end. Black dog in my hair, guiding me to the end. Black dog in my hair, guiding me to the end. Black dog in my head. Concrete canyons, squinting neon eyes. The door beside me, a shadow meeting line. Stalk the back streets, never at ease. Locked in a chase that'll never cease. A bloody moon, portending doom. Another cruel day, coming soon. Have to end this, but it's just begun. A fighting charge with the rising sun. Tonight's the night that we run. The hoods have become sweaty hunts. The escape and the chase is now one. Run, run. Tonight's the night that we run. The hoods have become sweaty hunts. The escape and the chase is now one. Run.
Trail cuts off here.
So what? Asshole hiding here someplace?
Maybe. Or maybe we get to another terminal. Have to see.
Funny area, this. Kind of complements our guy's style, doesn't it?
How? This theme park another parody of capitalism run amok?
Cheap entertainment for brain-dead gonks, that's how. Hand me a couple of eddies. See what he cranks out next.
You shall meet an attractive lobbyist when you least expect a violent outbreak of class warfare. Success is the delusion of the soul. Your luck shall turn around when the means of production will flow on an endless stream of endorphins.
You scrolling this? Well, we need to save these for posterity's sake.
How's this even possible?
Not a
The
fucking
means
clue.
of production
But
should
Jesus,
belong to
V,
the collective
how beautiful is
unconscious.
this? Half the net's getting tweaked on wisdom from a puppet in a glass case. Hairs
You
are
shall
being
meet an
split.
attractive lobbyist
Spit is
when you
flying
least
over
expect a violent
interpretations.
outbreak of class
Oh,
warfare.
man. Let me
Capital
tell you,
is the blood
50
of the
years
global
of soul
system of
prison was
oppression.
worth it for this moment right
You shall
here.
meet an attractive